So we're going to need to move. But then we're going to need to go up tall. So let's build a big square base. Not that one. Okay, right. Yep. So a big old square beluga. Get some in there as well. Let's put some braces on there as well. Okay, it's nice and safe. And now we need some motor wheels. One there, one there, one there, one there. Amazing. Give them some tank controls. Or remove them. It's up to you. So, tank controls. What was it? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Nope. 3, 4. 3, 4. Fan Davi Dozy. Can we give them some large wheels? Do they bolt on? Yeah. Oh, they move as well. Right, let's do those for the next one. Right. So what have we got in here? Slider, piston, suspension. Oh, it can give you a little car. Smooth ride. Piston. With H. Let's see what that does. Sure. Okay. Yeah, we can use that. We can get high with that. So we can't build outside this little cube, little dotted line thing. So if we add a block in between, mechanical, piston. Let's just go with a couple of pistons. Do we need to? Maybe we should. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Let's yeah. So we're gonna go up with like 50 pistons. Let's get rid of those things. Right, and then it was mechanical, piston, up, 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 up. Oh no, it's not side. That one. And then put a bit of, yeah, okay. So that's going to be a bit sway, isn't it? Can you select things? Don't know. So it was piston. One of those. Piston, piston, piston. And connect it up to there. A bit of that. Right, let's add some bracing. Booshk. Bagoosh. Yep, lovely, 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 lovely. So that should. What? Is that high enough though? Probably not. Probably not. Anyway, let's add some things of doom on top. Or is it too high? It's too bloody high. Maybe I just need to. Let's get rid of those. And put some more pistons in. Amazing. Does that go higher? I think that goes higher. Right. So now let's I don't know, some spinny crazy thing of doom. Is there something that rotates? Powered cog. Yeah, that'll do. That on there. Excuse me, there. Put a little block on top. Yeah. Oh, I'm right at the top. But I can put on some big old blades. Yeah. Okay. Right, let's get in a good camera angle. Do. And let's go. So, 1 and 2. Drive this bad boy into 1 and 3. Oh. Yeah, right, okay. So let's get the spinny blades of doom. Yeah, we're already doing this. We're doing this. And then up. Kill one more. Up and down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not even falling anywhere. Bit driving at the same time. Oh yeah. Bloody seagulls. What a pest. About here, maybe? Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, a few more. Bro. Oh no! Okay. There's a problem. I don't think we're going to be able to right ourselves. No. So, I think we need more killing power. More bang for your buck. Let's make a little whatever you would call that. A thing? I don't know. Thing or job. Like a little outrigger. Small ones. Smalls. Stop doing that. Okay. Brace in. Maybe over there. Just everywhere. All over the shop. Yeah. Chariot of steel. Right, let's get some flamethrowers. Oh yeah, this is where we're going. I don't want to get in the way of the blades though. Alright then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a bad day to be a seagull. How do I shoot those? That's the question. Why? Okay. So, I'm gonna drive on in. Oh! Maybe not. So I'm sure I saw some sort of pin block. Freeze blocks in place. Okay. Was it in flight? Yes. Ballast. Ooshk. Lots of ballast underneath. Amazing. It's going to be a heavy guy. Can you, you can, yes, copy, paste, 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 paste. Paste. Can you do anything with those? Piston speed. No, we don't really want to. Maybe we want to slow down the pistons. No, let's leave them there. Right. Let's go in. Let's go in for the kill. Oh yeah, much better. Oh no, wrong button. Okay, get him into about there. Let's go for a H. The spin of the blades. Yeah, I can't get those guys at the top though, which is where. Let's keep it at the top. Fire! No, oh, press the wrong bloody button again. Right, that kind of worked. But I think we need to be in a better position. Let's get these outside guys first. So, bit of H, bit of spin. And then Y. Yeah, let's move in slowly. Creeping in. Going back out. Oh yeah. There we go. That is a much better seagull population. So, Timmy T worked. Fantastic. Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Do 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 do. Hi-ho,